Hey guys, and in this video we have a bit of a surprise. We are going to meet one of our new suppliers, one of the many changes that are going to be happening over the next few months. Things might look a little bit familiar if you've watched our other videos. This is the same day that we are visiting our friends over at the ECA Cleaning and collecting our very poorly pressure washer that's hopefully been repaired, which you'll already know. So the surprise is for us, not for you. But yeah, we're going down to a new supplier, and yeah, it's about a 3-hour drive, so not looking forward to it, but we'll take you along with it and show you more as we go on.
Right then, so after our long trip, we've finally made it down to the south coast at Chichester. So right now we're going to see the team at Wax is Dead. So over the past couple of months or so, we have been trialling out their ceramic coating products, and it's safe to say we've been really impressed. So next up, we need to go around, have a look, check out their studio, see what they're about. And so that's the big announcement, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll show you around the studio now, and then we can end the vlog a bit later on.
If the top layer is doing everything it's meant to do, what do the 5 layers underneath need to do? What do they do? There's no need for the 5 layers in the sacrificial layer. So, one bottle. I'm Martin. I'm a director of Wax is Dead. I am one of the most fussy people on this planet. There's no ifs or buts about it. I do my own heading. My business partners, exactly right, Mike and Ollie. Well, Ollie's a bit of a comedian, well, he thinks he is, and Mike, silly genius. I don't really need to say any more than that. They don't have it easy with me. I'm extremely fussy, and I'm hot-headed. I'm a criminal. That's the truth. It's always been my passion ever since I was a kid at school. I got a job for a prestigious motor company, was employed to do coach lining there. I learned to do spot repairs and fine refinishing and getting the paint as beautiful as it could be. There was no ifs or buts. When someone's selling a car for £250,000, it has to be right. Wax is dead. Keep it in your hair. We don't do a product for that. We've looked at it from an installer point of view, not from a marketing point of view, or how many bottles can we sell one of our installers, which a lot of the companies do. Oh, let's give them a bottle of this, and then let's give them a bottle of that, and then a bottle of that's got to spend all this money before they can recuperate any money. We're thinking, hang on, let's create a product in one bottle that's better than the 3 bottles that they're having to buy. And that's what we did. A lot went into it. There was a lot of testing involved. There was a lot of testing. Our coatings, without a doubt, are the most advanced on the market. It sells itself. The hydrophobicness, the shine, and how easy it is to apply. If I wanted to just do it for money, I would sell it to every single person. But that's not what it's about. 1 in each county. That was always our plan, and I'm sticking to it.